Madeline Lilly from CraftBox Kids, and I'm excited because my team and I have teamed up once again with Crayola for Camp CraftBox, except this time it's our seasonal edition of camp. We just wrapped up summer and thought, why not keep the crafty fun going? So we'll be launching Camp CraftBox Seasonal Edition, which will be winter through spring. Your kids can enjoy fun seasonal crafts, plus get a huge box of Crayola supplies shipped to their door. We'll be working on 6 months of fun, so different projects each month, activity sheets, live crafting events via Zoom, and more. You can check out some of the projects that I have on the table here. How cute are these? From family trees to vision boards, even 3D winter scenes and cute little caterpillars. I'm teaching your kids crafting skills that they'll continue to use through other projects and maybe even in some school projects. So now when your kids get home from school, there's no more "I'm bored." You've got instant entertainment that's going to keep them engaged and learning. All right, parents, you want to find out more? Head to Crayola.com, get signed up now, and your kids can get ready for an entire 2 seasons of fun. I hope to see you there. Bye, friends.